Hi everybody, welcome back. This is going to be my next build, the Aoshima Celica 2000 GT liftback. I had the 1-to-1 car back in 1977. It was a blue with a black interior, so that's the way I'll be doing this one. The body's still wrapped up. There's no engine in this kit. It's a curbside, it's just the molding on the bottom on the chassis. I'll take some of the things out, clean them up, and give you a picture of what's in the box, and then we'll commence building it. This is the decal sheet that comes with the kit, and there's also a small piece of photo etch for some of the badging, and then there's the clear sprues, the windshield and lift back window, all in one piece. Some other headlights and tail lights in clear, marker lights, and a small chrome tree, the bumpers, and some knobs, mirrors, and so on. There's 4 chrome rims also in with the regular sprues. I'll show those in another picture after the parts have been washed. These are the parts that have been washed. They don't include the clear or the chrome sprues. So there's some attachment sprue on the chassis. You can see on the front here and the sides and the back needs to be cut off. It looks like there might be a place here, some of the parts for batteries or something. This might have been a slot car or something at one time, or some kind of other use for it. Also, there's these 2 pins inside on the roof, which I presume will be cut off, and a little bit of cleanup, just a light sanding on the edges here, a little bit sharp, and around the window trims there's just a little bit of flash, just very small, tiny flash, doesn't even show up on camera really, to be cleaned up. So it's a nice kit. It's a thick, heavy plastic. Nice solid body on it, good detail. So the kit comes with 2 sets of wheels. It comes with the stock and the, I guess, racing chromed wheels. It comes with the rubber tires. There's wides and wider ones for the back and thinner ones. 2 metal plates for the license plate backs. There's a rod for the rear axle and 2 pins for the front wheel, a couple of screws for the body to attach it to the chassis, and some springs that go on in the rear. And we'll have to see how that works out. Some light on this here. The tires need a lot of cleanup. There's quite a bit of flash on the tires on the inside and a seam down the middle. So I'll just have to do a little bit of sanding and cleaning up on those, but they're very soft, rubbery tire, which is kind of nice, I guess. In further examination of these soft rubber tires, you can see the slightly raised lettering, Pirelli Cinturato P7. It's got the size on there, 15-inch. And I was looking at this, looks like flash on the inside. I guess there's probably two halves they've melded together. And the flash on the inside is so thin you can't really cut it with I tried cutting it with a hobby knife and it doesn't really work. It just slides off. So it's so thin you can actually just leave it on there and push the rim on, and it won't affect it. So I'm just going to leave that, and I might sand the tread a little bit just to give it a little bit of worn look. Originally I was planning to use these chrome wheels, but on my car I didn't have wheels like that. I think they were just steel rims, so I'm not using the chrome wheels. They're a little too fancy. They have a black 4-spoke wheel, which is sort of toned down enough, but what I'm going to do is just paint a chrome ring around the edge with some Molotow chrome and use the black on the insides. So the kit also comes with the stock steering wheel and a custom steering wheel, a racing seat, so I won't be using those. I'm building mine stock, and then it's the regular stock front seats as well as the back seat. It's got the right-hand drive, which they don't give you the option for left-hand drive, so I'll just be going with that.